Today, I will show you how to transcribe a YouTube video or any video to text. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for VEED, Transcribe YouTube Video to Text. Click on the first result. Click on Transcribe your YouTube video. Click on Upload a file. Select your video and click Open. Now, wait for the video to upload. Select the video language and click Create Subtitle. Wait for the transcribing process to complete. And there you have it. As you can see, it takes less than a minute to transcribe the video. VEED transcriptions are 98% accurate. However, the AI will let you know if it is unsure of any words by highlighting them in orange. Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.